Hello dear traders, you're watching financial news on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. The bear sentiment is still setting the tone on the oil market. Brent crude benchmark rate is still showing signs of weakness. Brent oil is trading lower at near $72 a barrel. On the one hand, technical indicators suggest upward correction after a sharp decline. On the other hand, fundamental data pushes oil prices down. Yesterday's data from the U.S. Energy Information Administration came as a grim surprise to traders. The weekly report showed that domestic crude stocks unexpectedly surged by almost 5.8 million barrels last week, defying the median forecast for a drop by 3.4 million barrels. To make things worse, crude production in the U.S. has hit the historical record of 11 million barrels per day. Thus, the U.S. drilling companies are on track to equal Russia in terms of oil output. West Texas Intermediate is also unable to develop upward correction. The North American grade settled down at about $68 a barrel. The bearish trend in the oil market eventually undermined the Russian currency, which until recently had found support from political developments. Investors were keeping long bets on the Russian ruble amid positive outcome of the summit between the US and Russia. However, optimism is waning in light of fresh news. Forex expert Alexander Davidov is going to make his comments.
The Russian ruble has been in a downward spiral for several reasons. First, Donald Trump virtually disproved his own words, which he said at the press conference with Vladimir Putin. Besides, some senators intend to impose new sanctions against the Russia-led pipeline project, Nord Stream 2. In essence, nothing has changed, and the US-Russia relations are the same as before the summit between these state leaders. So, the dollar-ruble pair will gradually decline below 63 after the panic abates.
To sum up, both the ruble and the euro are likely to close the trading week with losses on the back of the steady rally of the US dollar. You've watched daily financial news on Insta TV. See you back soon. Bye.